You wake up, check your TikTok account, and see that you finally managed to go viral. 800,000 views overnight. You're super excited, you check your Shopify dashboard, you already see the Lambo in the garage, Shopify loads, and
you're broke!
You made 2 sales. Congrats.
You're fucking poor!
Now, this is a very common scenario, and that's why I want to give you this step-by-step formula on how to convert views into sales. Let me start out by listing all the problems which could be the reason why you went viral but didn't make sales, and then I'm going to tell you what exactly to do in each individual scenario. Number 1, you went viral in a country where people cannot afford your product. Number 2 is you went viral to the completely wrong audience. So for example, you sold a dog product, but you went viral in the baby niche. You used too much controversy and went viral for the completely wrong reasons, and not because people want to buy your product. You can't even tell that you're selling something in your videos. Your product just sucks. You didn't follow up with call to action videos and replying to comments in a very salesy way. One which is very obvious is you just didn't have a link in the bio, and that can basically just happen. But what most people think is that they need to optimize their store, and that's the reason why they didn't make any sales. They see they had so much traffic, but almost nobody converted. Let me tell you this, the store is not your problem. In 95% of the cases, the store here is not your problem at all. We literally have a guy in the program who made 200,000 pounds with organic only in 3 months with a terrible store. It looks disgusting. The store is complete trash. So the only way how you could have messed it up on the store side, for example, you couldn't check out in the country you went viral, or something along those lines, like serious problems. Besides that, it's most likely not the issue. Now let's go through them one by one, and let me explain to you what to actually do to make money. First, let's establish one thing. Your videos can be more or less salesy, all right? You can go viral for the perfectly right reason, or you can go viral for the completely wrong one. Let me show you an example for both, and you're gonna see the night and day difference here.
Fastest cloth pad. Fastest glass mouse pad.
Boom, perfect. Everything about this video is a 10 out of 10. You show a before example where the cloth pad is super bad and the mouse doesn't spin. And now you show the glass pad, which is just 100,000 times better. You see the contrast, how it was bad and your product is much better. And the reason why this video went viral is because of how good your product is. Realistically, that's the only reason why this video went viral. This is perfect. This product is a 10 out of 10 perfect product, but unfortunately it has a very big downside, which is number 1, you don't want to be sending out a glass product. It sucks. You're gonna have tons of problems with that. Don't do it. The second reason is the suppliers are a mess with this product and you basically need to bulk order a shit ton of pieces. I would honestly recommend to stay away. However, this is the type of product you're looking for. And also this is the type of video which will convert like crazy. If you get 1 million views on this video versus the next video I'm going to show you, you're just going to see the night and day difference. Now let me play the video of going viral for the completely wrong reason.
I want one, but why is there no LGBT discount?
Doesn't everyone deserve a discount?
No.
Well, fuck off.
Those videos went viral hundreds of times. This is something which is very easy to go viral with. If you see some trend like this, you can basically hop on it and go viral. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, most likely you're not gonna get sales through this. What happened here? Number 1 is you went viral in a very specific audience. And it's basically this red pill manosphere thing, and people are commenting about that, and this is what the video is about. You just see a shower head in the background. Nobody cares at all about the shower head. You don't make sales through this. This statement is obviously very controversial, and you're gonna have a bunch of people pissed about this video, and you're gonna see a bunch of people super happy about this because they're against the LGBT movement. The good thing about this is you created discussions in the comment section, you're gonna have 2 sides clashing, and for both of them this video is very relevant, but again, it does not help your bank account at all. And controversy like this can be a trap. So let's say you post a video like this and you go viral. What happens now? You see the only video which goes viral for you is something like this, and you do more of that because you think, all right, maybe this time it actually will make me more sales. But in reality, it's a trap. After going viral already, your goal is to get sales. Your goal is not to go viral for the wrong reason. So don't overuse controversy generally. The next one is so overlooked and so underutilized, you need to do this. As a matter of fact, I've seen this happening multiple times where Jacob, who is the head of our organic team, was telling this to people who already went viral but didn't make sales, and instantly it got them to like 5K a day or some crazy thing like that. you go viral, and the next videos are where you sell more. You need to be way more salesy now and reply to comments. Where can I get this? What colors do you have? Whatever, just salesy questions, and you can ask them by yourself, honestly, but ideally you already have them asked in the comments. And you basically answer those comments with a video reply, and you just push the call to action like crazy. Now, this is also something you should generally do, having call to actions in the videos more. If you go viral without sales, you definitely should put in more call to actions generally. And this is also something which is just going to boost your sales always. Now, it also will get your virality down, but still, it's worth it, especially in those retargeting videos. Because what happens when you go viral is the people who saw the video, they're going to be the people who are going to get your next videos also recommended. And in those, you just push sales. Two more things I want to mention is, number one, you don't want to be an influencer. You want to make money. This is something you should never forget. You don't care about views, you care about money. The second golden rule is bad traffic sticks to your channel. If you constantly go viral for the wrong reasons because you made some funny LGBTQ thing, now instantly the next videos are gonna get recommended to the wrong people, and it's gonna be much tougher to make sales from that channel. Just keep that in mind. If you want us to review your entire account and tell you step by step what to do and how to scale organic overall, you can click the link below and sign up for a call with us. If you already have organic experience, if you went viral but didn't make sales, if you went viral, made some sales but cannot keep up consistent, you are perfect for our program. I've seen this group of people having by far the best results because it's just so easy to implement quick fixes on your channel. We're gonna tell you step by step what to do and how to improve everything, and also how to get this whole thing consistent, have multiple winning products at the same time, and then start hiring people, which I'm gonna refer to you, and basically they're gonna start doing videos for you, and then you actually make money but also keep your time. Because the biggest problem on scale with organic is that you trade your time for money, and that's a problem which you want to eliminate in the long run. If you're interested in this whole thing, click the link below and I will talk to you very soon.